today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom safely with a focus on enhancing your security settings. As more people rely on Zoom for virtual meetings, it's important to ensure that your account is set up properly to protect your data and privacy. Follow along, and I'll guide you through each step in this process. First, let's head over to the Zoom website. Open your web browser and type in zoom.com in the address bar. Once the Zoom homepage loads, you'll see a sign-in option in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on Sign In. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. But since we're focusing on settings today, let's assume you already have your login information handy. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand panel of the Zoom interface. Here, click on My Account. This is your central hub for managing account settings, personal information, and meeting preferences. Once you're on your account page, look for the Profile option. Click on Profile to access your personal information settings. Now, scroll down to find the Meeting section. This is where you can customize the settings for your Zoom meetings. The idea here is to manage your meetings in a way that minimizes potential security risks, and it's crucial to adjust these settings to match your security needs. Once you're in the Meeting section, search for the Edit button. Clicking Edit will allow you to make changes to your meeting preferences. Here's an important step. Locate the option that says Use Personal Meeting ID for instant meetings and make sure to turn it off. By doing this, you avoid using the same meeting ID repeatedly, which could be a security risk, as it might make it easier for unauthorized individuals to guess your meeting details. After making these changes, remember to hit Save. This confirmation step ensures that all the selections and adjustments you've made are properly stored and will be applied to your future meetings. By following these steps, you are taking significant measures to enhance your privacy and security while using Zoom. Keeping your meeting settings updated is a simple yet effective way to ensure that every meeting is secure and private. As always, be sure to regularly review these settings, especially if Zoom updates its platform or if you change your meeting habits. Thanks for tuning in and happy conferencing.